I'd do a quick update for you. As you can tell, I'm feeling a little under the weather. I'm losing my voice. I'm not really sure what this voice is, but unfortunately it's what I have right now. Yeah, I thought I'd do an update. So I officially have my start date for the cruise. I will be joining the Azura at the beginning of June, and I'm flying to Malta to embark on that. So I'm very excited. I think I've got about 5-6 weeks left until I go. I've been getting a bit stressed out about what to pack, how many things I can fit in. Yeah, I honestly don't know how I'm gonna pack for 4 months. They have sent a packing list and basically said pack as if you're going on like a 2-week holiday, because we obviously are able to wash our clothes and you cannot pack for different clothes for every day for 4 months. I did do a bit of a shopping trip, so I'll show you guys what I got. Also, just apologies again for this, it sounds awful. So I'm going to show you some things. I basically did way too much shopping in Hollister. I'm in love with their play suits. So I got a bunch of them in different colours. Rompers even, I think they're calling them. But they're nice little dresses. They've all got shorts underneath. And they all have pockets because it's great to have a pocket. I don't think I use pockets, but I'm definitely very happy when they're there. This one's got a nice bow on the back. Occasionally my voice comes back and then it disappears again. I've got a nice white one with red flowers on, if that shows up clearly. There. Again, pockets and cut out of the back. And a red one. As you can tell, I do like red. That one. Also, in case you're wondering, my hair and makeup right now is because I'm going out for dinner tonight with some people from work. It's like a leaving do get together, and it's like a Disney theme tonight. So I'm going as Belle. I will be putting on my Belle dress later. This bikini is also from Hollister. I spent too much money, but it's okay. It's gonna be worth it. I mean, I'm going to sunny countries, I hope. So I start in Malta, and then I believe I'm going to Italy, Greece, Santorini. I'm really looking forward to. It looks stunning. There's lots of different places. I'm hoping I get sort of a schedule or something, I'm not sure, but I'll let you guys know when I get that. But that's sort of where it tours around. So I'm so excited to see all these places, honestly. And I think we go to Rome, and oh my god, I've always wanted to go to Rome. It's been one of the top on my list. Anyway, back to clothes. So I got this white little cardigan. I thought it would be nice to go over some of my rompers. And there will be a gym on board for us to use. So I've got this cute little skirt. It's basically like a tennis skirt, but I want to wear it to the gym. And I've got this one to go with it. And some white Skechers trainers, which I will show you in a second. So I got the white Skechers trainers, the slip-ons. They are so comfy, but I think we do need them for part of the job. I'm not too sure, but I think we do like the sail away dance, but don't hold me to that because I'm not positive. It's just that I saw somebody that's an entertainment host do it on TikTok, so maybe. But anyway, just in case, I need these because I think anyway part of the activities I might be doing might be slightly sporty. We'll see. I'll inform you when I get there and get my schedule. I got these for evenings. I thought these are the only evening shoes I'm going to bring on. They're Lotus. If it focuses, there we go. They are very sparkly. This camera does not do them justice. And this bag, which I got from Quiz to go with them. For working, I got these ones from Pavis. So they're nice Mary Jane ones with 2 straps across. Hopefully they'll be okay. They seem quite comfortable, and I think Pavis is supposed to be a comfy brand. So hopefully. And I got a couple of evening dresses. I'll show you actually. So these were the clothes bags I got from IKEA, which my evening dresses are in. This one is from Phase 8. Don't know if you can. I think it's gorgeous, to be honest. There we go. I love this dress. I love the colour, and I think it's going to go great with the shoes. This is another Phase 8 one. Just to note, these are like ankle length on me. And this one's got a nice tie at the back. But I thought they would both be quite nice for the formal evenings. I'm not sure how many of those we get to attend, but it did say on my packing list to bring a couple. So I'm so excited. Yeah, so I can totally speak. I got a couple of other bits for the ship too. I thought I'd be quite organised. We'll see how long that goes on for. So I got a nice folder from Tiger, and it's just got all the sections in it. I thought I'd keep all my documents, so I need to take all my documents onto the ship, so the medical, visas, my seaman's book, all sorts of bits that I'm needing. So I thought I'd try and be organised and keep it all in here. Also from Tiger, I got this magnetic board for the week. That comes up. Apparently the walls are magnetic on the ship. I'm hoping that's the case. Otherwise, I'll just stand it up. But yeah, I'm gonna get some magnets there, maybe magnet hooks or something for the ship as well, because if the walls are magnetic, that could be quite handy for storage. But I thought this way I can write down what countries I'm going to be in on what days, what activities I'm going to be hosting. Just try and get it organised because I'm going to have to be on the ship. Along with that, I've got this, so my daily planner, which again from Tiger. There we go. I thought that might be quite good. Focus is not doing well. not only to be organised and know what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis, but also for memories, I guess, so I can look back and see what I did on each day, because it will be quite nice when I get home, I guess, just to be like, oh, you know, this time last year I was doing this. And then one more thing I got from Tiger was these gel eye masks, cool as a cucumber. Yeah, I thought I'm gonna be tired because I don't think I'm gonna get much sleep. I'll either be working or trying to enjoy myself. So yeah, I thought they if they work, they'll be handy. I don't want to have dark eyes. Anyway, I'm gonna go now and get ready for Disney night. I'll probably add in a bit at the end of me ready. Until next time though, and I'll be showing you my packing videos and things, getting ready, and obviously I will be bringing you along to embark on the Azura. Alright, thank you very much guys, like and subscribe.